Hello and welcome to our arched opening and in place sweep family lesson and series. And in this little introduction lesson, we're just going to show you what we end up creating here. And we just have a wall. We've painted it with brick. We've inserted Alex over here for our rendering. And then we've added an in-place family which is wrapped around an opening. So if I click on the actual in-place family here, and I use my great hide element, you can see that there's the opening which we load, and we learn how to change this from an elliptical shape to an rounded arch shape. And then we create an in-place family here, this guy over here, and put that around it. And then we add a material to that object. So if I click on here and take this in-place family and I say edit in-place family, it's a sweep. And if I pick on here and I say edit the sweep, click out, we have a profile, which we can go in and say edit the profile. There's our profile, okay? Or I can say pick the path, and then you can see there's the path that we used. So we have a path and we have a profile that we use to create that sweep, and you can see it's just a closed polygon. This is the profile here, and there's the path going around that opening, and I'm just going to cancel out here. And then we've gone in and added a material to that sweep. I'm going to cancel out again, and then what we've done is we've gone into our camera option and created a perspective view just like this. And then we show you how to go in and do a rendering, and we play with a little bit with materials, etc., by creating a little rendering that looks like that from in there. And then we can export and adjust the different image intensity and contrasts from within our render dialog box. So that's what we're going to do in this particular series. Load in the arched opening, play with that and look at its parameters, then put a sweep around it, add a material, do some rendering, drop in our background image there as well, or I should say using the what is called, just cancel on that, adding in something in here called gradient background. So gradient background in the background, everything, so we get that nice effect just like that. So nice lesson, little bit of everything in there for you in the next, I believe, 4 or 5 videos.